Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hi friends, today in Mark Software we will learn SMS integration, means SMS setup. Before that, we will get to know about its use and its benefit. In SMS setup, there is a facility of sending direct bulk SMS to debtors, creditors, field staff and any account group. Personal directory, Excel list, SMS ledger statement to party, SMS outstanding to party or field staff and mobile identifier. With the help of SMS integration option in Mark ERP software, we can SMS bill details to party regarding new, modify, print or after LR number feeding, item detail with item name, party balance with bill detail, item detail, not delivered items or both. It also allows to send SMS regarding post-dated check and bank deposit reminder and also SMS receipt or payment, like thanks SMS to party. Moreover, we can also email or SMS the report generated from the software. So, let's see its process in Mark software. For this, you will go to Masters, then to Mark Setup and then to Control Room. From here, press Enter on SMS Setup and then Accept. Here is first point, that through whom you want to send SMS. Through Mark server or through net. For Mark server, set M here. For net, set N, and if it is not required, then set X. Suppose if you want to send SMS through Mark server, then from Mark folder, run server.exe and focus on that when you will send SMS through Mark server. Then window of server.exe should be open. Do yes here to services, then set yes to send SMS and keep pressing enter, then keep it open. And if you want to SMS through net, then your system should be connected through net. For now, we will set here N for net. Now, after that, you will see next is string. We will enter API in string and API is like this, as you can see on the screen. And you can purchase it from any service provider. Next is default message in all SMS. Means you can enter that default message which you want to set for all SMS, like we enter here, thanks, visit again. Then keep the service as it is. Then is mobile number length. Define the length of mobile number here. Next is SMS of bill on new, modify, both or print, etc. It means if you want that before making bill, software will ask you, then set here Y, otherwise set N. Then you will specify that SMS should be sent after creating new bill or after modification or after print. Whatever option you want to set that here. For now, we will set here B for both. Next is SMS should be sent on challan or not. Select that option from here. You will set from here that want to send SMS bill detail with party name or not. Similarly, then is bill detail SMS should be sent or not with party balance. Like here, we select Y. Next is, do you want to SMS on item details? Then do I, and for shortage, do S. And for both, do B, and if you don't want to, then we'll do N. Then according to you, you will set here that at the time of sending SMS of with and without detail to MR, software will ask you or not. Next is SMS should be sent with detail or without detail. So we will set W with item detail because we want that we should SMS to MR with item detail. Now is item name should be sent or SMS code. Then according to you, set an option here. After this, next is also SMS to administration on. Means if you want that this SMS should be sent to the customer as well as it should be sent to the manager or admin. So we will specify its contact number here, like we specified here. Next is SMS intimation if cross credit limit. Means after crossing the credit limit, intimation SMS should be sent or not. You can set that here as we do yes for now. Similarly, default billing, retail billing, wholesale billing, or for both SMS should be sent. So according to that, select an option. Next is SMS of manufacturing issue and receive. Means SMS should be sent if we create new bill of manufacturing issue and receive, or if we do modification, then SMS should be sent. So according to you, select an option. Along with it, if you want that SMS of manufacturing issue and receive should be sent to the administrator also, then specify their number here. Next is, if new receipt, payment or both of are created, then software will ask you that SMS should be sent or not. So in ask, you can set Y or N according to you. Like we set Y here. Then is, when new receipt is created and SMS has been sent. So set here R. For payment, do P. For both, B. And for all, A. And for no, X. For now, we set A, that is for all. Then is, if receipt, payment, both or all account entries are modified, then SMS should be sent or not. So according to that, select an option. In the same way only, you can set SMS should be sent to create new PDC or after the modification. Then is, if we will deposit PDC in bank, then SMS should be sent or not. Along with it, you can set here that when PDC will be deposited in bank, then SMS should be sent to the administrator as well. So for that, you will specify their contact number. Now press escape key and save the changes. Now come to the master menu, then to ledger master, and then enter on modify ledger. And now select parties one by one and press enter key and select here SMS and email ID, and here enter the mobile number of the party. Then keep pressing enter and come to the main screen. After this, if you will create the new bill for the party or does the modification, suppose if we will create the sale bill and after pressing the tab key, save the bill. Then you can see software is asking you that you want to send SMS to this party. Then you will do yes, otherwise do it no. And as we will set this to yes, then SMS will send to this party. Similarly, come to the ledger account and select the ledger, then from the below, click on SMS icon. So there is a window in front of you of send SMS. So here are the options that as a SMS, what you want to send to this party. Ledger balance, balance with statement, balance with outstanding, or any text you want to send from your side. If you want to SMS, so from here we can select SMS my own text. And whatever text we want to send, we can type here. Similarly, if you will click on outstanding, then as well you will get SMS icon, and as you will click here as well you will get the options. So according to you, select an option. So friends, in this manner we have learned in this tutorial that how we can do SMS setup in Mark software. Thank you.